Assalamualaikum. So for this video I'm gonna do part C for lab 1, which is add and subtract for 8 and 16-bit version. So this is the code provided here. I have already copied this code and pasted it in my project here. So as you can see, I have watch, memory, register and autos. Okay, so now we're gonna look at the value for val w1, val w2, val w3 and final val w. Okay, for val w1, because we are using word which is 1000 hexa, which is word is in 16-bit, so this is gonna store at 1000. Also the same goes with val w2 and val w3, 4000, 2000, and for final val w, this is 0 value because there is no value at all. Okay, now we're gonna look at the memory for val w1. Okay, for the val w1, it uses the little endian method, which is from right to left. So this is 1000 hexa. Alright, so same goes for every for the value of the variable next to it, which is w2 and w3. Okay, now we're gonna step over. We're gonna do the debugging first. So first we're gonna move the value of val w1, which is 1000, into the register, which is the EAX here. The initial value of the register is 19FFCC. Okay, so we press F10. Sorry. Okay, we press F10. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay, now I'm gonna start the debugging. Okay. Alright. So as you can see, okay. Now we have already moved the value of val w1 into the register, which is 1000 here. Okay, as you can see, the value of AX here is 1000. Okay, and then we're gonna add the value of val w2, which is 4000, into the register, which we're gonna get 5000. Okay, there you go, we already get 5000, and the value of AX is 5000 hexa. Okay, and then we're going to do again, we're going to subtract the value of val w3 into the register, which is 2000, and we will get 3000. Okay, 3000 hexa, and the value of the AX 3000 hexa here. Okay, okay, the last for 16-bit is we're going to move the value of AX, which is 3000 hexa, into the final val w, which is 0 here. Okay, so there you go, there you go. So what we got is the final val w is 3000. Okay, and yeah, 3000. So next we're gonna do for the 8-bit. Okay, so I'm just gonna change this one to val b1. Okay, and val b2, val b3, and final val b. Okay, so this is 10. This one I'm gonna put at val b1. Okay, alright, next F10. Okay, so because the val b1 until val b3 and the final val b is using the byte, which is byte only have 8-bit. Okay, so for the hexadecimal there is only need for 2 numbers. Okay, which is 10 here, 10 hexa, 40 hexa and 20 hexa, and the final val b is 0. Okay, Okay, first what we're gonna do is, okay, so this is the value from before, from the AX, but don't worry, we're gonna remove it, okay, because we're gonna move the value, we're not gonna add it, okay. So next, we're just gonna press F10. There you go. See? So the value from val B1, which is 10 hexa, then we're gonna move it into the AH register here. So the value of AH gonna be 10. Okay, 10 hexa. Okay, now we're gonna add the value of val B2 into the register, which is we're gonna get 50 hexa. Okay, there you go, 50 hexa. Here is 50 hexa. Okay, next, then we're going to subtract the value of val B3, which is 20 hexa, to the register. So the value from before is 50, so we subtract 20, we get 30 hexa. So the result here is true. Okay, okay. Lastly, we're going to move the value of the register here, AH, 30 hexa, into the final val B, which is 0. Okay, there you go. So this is the final value of final val B, 30 hexa. Okay, and we're just going to call it our register. Okay, and then see, just going to look at this. So this is